board in Jira. I am in the project Jira test. Now I want to create a board. What you have to do, you have to click on this board, and here you can see create board option. Click on the create board. What type of board you want to create? You want to create a Scrum board or Kanban board? Let's create a Scrum board. From the existing project you want, or if you have any filter saved that, so from that you want to create. I'm choosing existing project. Let's select next. Project name JT Scrum. Let's click on create board. As you can see, this board got created. Now let's create Kanban board. Create a Kanban board. JT Kanban. So now you can see I have created the Kanban board. So this is simple like this. So this is the Kanban board. Let me here. So what's the difference between both them? In the Kanban board you cannot see any kind of backlog and all, but if you are selecting the Scrum board, you can see active sprint backlog and all. Means sprint can be created in the Scrum board, it cannot be created in the Kanban board. So this is the one of the difference. Thank you for watching.